A very good morning to our venerated and most revered Chief Guest, Shri Naveen Patnaik, Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha. With great honor and utmost reverence, we extend a heartfelt welcome to you to SAI International. We also take the proud privilege of welcoming our cherished guests and participants from overseas and India to the 11th SAI Model United Nations Conference of 2023.
SAI International welcomes more than 700 delegates from across 8 countries. Introducing the delegate of Mali, Modibo Diko. Introducing the delegate of Uganda, Menya Abdallah Ngobi. Introducing the delegate of Kenya, Arsenal James Odera. Introducing the delegate of Eswatini, Niksebo Sizwe Mamba. Introducing the delegate of Ethiopia, Kidis Abebe Mekinen. Introducing the delegate of Saudi Arabia, Anam Asrar. Introducing the delegate of India, Fiona Debasmita Alone.
I would like to convey our heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest for having agreed to inaugurate the Bijoy Indoor Sports Stadium and SAI Model United Nations today, finding time from his extremely busy schedule. This day will be memorable and etched in the history of SAI International. Sir, we admire your commitment and love for children, for which you are here to encourage us. This will certainly kindle the spark within our Indian as well as overseas delegates for the powerful deliberation during this 2-day event. Sir, you will be happy to know that we have already been declared as the #1 school of the country for the 3rd consecutive year by the education world. We have also been declared as one of the top schools brands of the country by ET Now. Let us all salute Honorable Chief Minister with our founder chairman's clap of happiness. As always, we will continue to strive to build a better India through education. Thank you very much and namaskar.
I now take this opportunity to humbly request our revered Chief Guest, Shri Naveen Patnaik, Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, to kindly felicitate the toppers and the global pioneers and the stellar achievers who have made the school proud with their outstanding achievements. Adarsh Agarwal, who secured 97.2%, becoming CBSE Commerce Stream Topper 2022-23.
Next, we have none other than Divyamaji and Irijaya Das, secured 98%, becoming the toppers in the CBSE examination from the humanities stream.
Let's welcome Pratishtha Pal, who secured a remarkable 99.6% in the science stream, obtaining the first rank in the state in CBSE All India Senior Secondary School Examination. Heartiest congratulations, Pratishtha Pal, on also receiving the prestigious Global Pioneer Award and for being the topper of science stream of 2022-23. Well done.
And next we have Amritanshu Mahanti, a paragon of determination and excellence who achieved All India rank 364 and state rank 2 in JEE Advanced Examination. Congratulations, Amritanshu. He will now be pursuing his higher studies in the prestigious IIT Mumbai.
Abhipsa Chaudhary for securing the third position in NEET. Congratulations on receiving the most coveted award. Now I would like to invite Surya Pratap Mishra, who secured All India rank 35 in the NEET examination, thereby bagging the second position in the state. Now we would like to invite on day Swayam Shakti Tripathi, who secured All India rank 8 in the NEET, thereby bagging the first position in the state.
Chairpersons of the SAI International School, principals and teachers, distinguished guests and students. I'm delighted to be here today to join all of you at the SAI International Model United Nations Conference, SAIMUN. I extend my warm greetings to all the student delegates from across the world. This conference is a unique opportunity to understand the world around you, society, and the people. The knowledge on diverse cultures and practices enhances our acceptability to diversity. It helps us to find a common approach to global peace, harmony, and growth. I believe the experiences you will receive here will help you to become global leaders and make meaningful contributions to humanity. I'm also happy for the inauguration of the state-of-the-art Bijoy Indoor Stadium here, established in the memory of the founder of the school, late Bijoy Kumar Sahu. On this occasion, I pay my heartfelt tributes to him. He has made significant contributions to school education in Odisha by giving it a new direction. I hope the school will continue to scale new heights and help the students realize their dreams. With these words, I declare SAIMUN 2023 open.
I take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Chief Minister Sir for graciously sparing his valuable time to inaugurate Bijay Indoor Sports Stadium and Sai Model United Nations 2023. My gratitude goes out to all the esteemed member of the executive board as well as these national and international delegates who all are the part of SAIMUN 2023.
Now, this Bijay Indoor Sports Stadium has been named after our founder chairman, Dr. Bijay Kumar Sahu. This was constructed during COVID time, and then we just had the opportunity to inaugurate today. The Bijay Sports Stadium is one of the largest school level indoor sports stadium in the country, which has been built over 30,000 square feet area, and which has got 6 badminton courts, 6 table tennis courts, a snooker board, multi-purpose volleyball court, squash court, and above the Bijay Indoor Sports Stadium, we also have Bijay Maidan, where football, hockey, cricket, kabaddi, volleyball can all be played. And also, we have constructed a gallery where we have spectators watching the matches and the games. So, this is a speciality of the Bijay Indoor Sports Stadium. And today, in this 2 day Sai Model United Nations, I hope all the delegates will have discussions and deliberations on different resolutions in their respective committees, and we will also be sending all the resolutions to UNIC the exactly the way we do every year. Happy Money. Thank you.